beautiful summer day, and we're getting on the road again. This time we're staying in Sweden. We're going to the largest waterfall in Sweden. We're super excited to see it. A lot of people go and travel to that location to see the waterfall. People from different countries, Germany, Denmark, Norway. It is actually very close to the Norwegian border. We have our anti-bug oil that I made with essential oils, lavender and citronella to keep the bugs away. And we have our snacks here, sandwiches and drinks. So we are good to go. To stop and eat our sandwiches because we were super hungry, but now we are here. You can definitely see and hear the water rushing. So excited to see the largest waterfall of this country. Today I am making a soy candle to keep mosquitoes away. We have a lot of mosquitoes in the area, a lot of streams, rivers, lakes, marshlands, as you could probably see in the last video that I made. It is a perfect environment for mosquitoes, so we cannot go outside in the evening without any type of product to keep them away. So I am making a soy candle with essential oils. I'm using citronella and lavender. I use it for body oil as well, but so that we have something just to keep them away while we're sitting and enjoying our time outside. So I'm gonna make that. So I have prepared my double broiler to melt the wax. We need to stir the container where I will put the melted wax in. You can use any type of glass container, wide mouth, ceramic, tin. I am reusing a jar, then the essential oils. You need a wick, depending on the size of your container. Mine is pretty small, so I'm gonna use one, and then stickies to keep the wick in place and center of the jar. And of course the star of the show, I'm using soy wax. I'm pouring the wax into the double boiler. Now I'm just waiting for the wax to melt. The wax has melted completely, so I'm going to take it off the stove and cool it. The wax has cooled down to the temperature where I can now put in the essential oils. You can see it's starting to build a rim, so it's good to go with essential oils. I'm adding about 20 drops of lavender oil. Hey, I don't have enough. That's all right. Most of it will be citronella. Again, about 25 drops. Stir it. And pour it into the container. Oh, very nice. I have a little bit left. So what I'm gonna do is I'm saving these tea light holders. And I'm just gonna put a wick inside of one of the tea lights. This is fun. I like doing this. All right. Oh, I need to center this guy. Later. And that's it. It's that easy. Now we can enjoy our summer evenings outside.